The liver needs certain nutrients, which are present in fruits and vegetables. Carrots are one of the vegetables that are suggested for frequent consumption in order to maintain a healthy liver. Carrots are highly nutrient-dense. They are high in potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and other vitamins. These are the benefit of carrot juice on your liver. By combining carrots and water, carrot juice is created. It has been proven that drinking this beverage frequently enhances liver health. This is due to the high antioxidant content of carrots, which protects the body from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In addition, carrot juice is a great source of carotenoids, which support liver health by being present in the body. However, further research on humans is required to properly comprehend the benefits of carrot juice. However, it has been demonstrated that regular use of carrot juice helps scar the liver from illnesses. For better health, patients with liver illness are encouraged to include carrots in their diet.